Here are 3 steps to develop your eye for design. Pero ano ba muna yung eye for design? This is your ability to perceive and appreciate good designs. Developing your eye for design will help you understand how the design work without just looking sa itsura ng isang design, but also understanding the intention of the design. So to develop your eye for design, here are 3 steps. Step 1 is maghanap ka ng mga good designs. Again, good designs are designs na hindi lang maganda, but design that you think is effective. You can look sa Pinterest or Behance or kahit sa Google, you can look for good designs. Step 2 is to analyze the designs. Analyze mo kung bakit tingin mo effective yung designs na yon. Dahil ba sa color, sa placement ng mga elements, nagmatch ba yung message doon sa design? Break down the details and figure out how and why it works. Then last step is to recreate the design. Matutulungan ka nito to break down the details and elements na ginamit doon sa design na yon. So hindi naman kailangan pareho yung pagkaka-recreate mo, but you get the concept. And yung pagkakaroon ng eye for design is different from being a good designer. Kaya you also need to practice designing. And practicing and recreating designs can help you understand more kung bakit naging effective yung designs na yon. So kung gusto mo magkaroon ng eye for design, do these steps regularly at mapapansin mo, paunti-unting nade-develop yung skills mo to perceive and appreciate good designs. Follow for more.